Hey friends, I'm back. So this is what we're making, a DIY apple crate. We're gonna use paint stirrers. And I first saw it on Pinterest, and the idea was for wedding centerpieces. And so I just pinned it to my parties board, but I loved it. I thought about it more than once, and I thought, gosh, this would be cute for gifts, it would be cute for organizing, and it cost $2, maybe $3. So I'm gonna show you how to make this. At first I thought, ooh, I could do the whole thing for free, right? Because I thought, well, you can get paint stirrers for free at Home Depot. But what I found when I looked a little bit closer was that Home Depot, that's a marketing tool that they use. So it is covered with orange graphics and things about Home Depot. And so I decided, nah, I didn't really want to use those even though they were free. And so you can get these packs. They come in packs of 10. And this is, now I can't remember if it's $2 or $3, but these are the paint mixing sticks. And I got 2 packs. You'll need 2 packs of 10 for this project. This is what they look like before you open them. And you probably cannot see. Can you see? Yeah, you can see. On one side is this cute little white ruler. And actually, you could work that into your craft if you wanted. I think that would look cute. I didn't. I just went more of a simple route. But depending on what you plan, I don't know, like, would that be cute for teachers' gifts or something? I don't know. I turned all of mine inside my crate, so you can't actually see them on the outside. You're gonna need 20 paint stirrer sticks. You're gonna need a staple gun. I have a pneumatic staple gun because I do upholstery, and I'll link this one. It's fantastic. If this is your thing, this is the piece I would suggest you get, and it's hooked up to an air compressor, which I hope does not go off during this live because it's so stinking loud. But if you have a staple gun, you can do that too. Staples. Oh, and the other thing you need is wood glue. A stain, if you want to change the color. I've done a couple different things. The first one I showed you, I just used Old English on it, which is my go-to kind of aging product that I use because it's instant. You just wipe it on and then you've got more of a weathered brown aged look. But last night, for the one we're gonna make right now, I went ahead and I did use a gel stain. See the difference? So this is furniture polish. So you pick your color that you like, or do whatever. I mean, you could do like a green stain. I thought that would be cute. This is a gel stain, and I like working with gel stains. So this one's by Minwax. It's called Hickory. I just had it on hand, so I used that one last night. And so today's crate is going to be darker. But you wear a glove with both of these products. You wear a glove, and then you just wipe it on. The gel stain. I used one of those foam. I was going to show you one, but you probably know what they are. Those foam brushes. So I brushed it on, and then I took a rag and I wiped it off right away. So it was almost dry, but I did let it dry overnight. Oh, one other thing I didn't tell you. I bought a 36-inch, a yard-long dowel. This is a half-inch, and this was $1 or something. I think that's, okay, this is where I'm getting the $3. I think these were 2 and this was 1. Yeah, okay, anyway, cheap project. So you're gonna cut these down. I'm not even gonna tell you the measurements because it's kind of a mouthful to say, but I'll put it in the description. You're gonna end up with 6 little square dowels. You're gonna keep 8 regular length paint sticks, 8 little ones, and 8 medium-sized ones. And again, I will tell you exactly what those measurements are. So we cut those down, and then I stained or used my Old English, right? And then we're ready to go. So we're gonna make our end pieces first. We're gonna start with our 2 dowels, 4 of our little paint stirrers, and we're gonna put them down. Oh yeah, glue. So we do 4 dots. I'm gonna do this twice. Okay, I'm laying it all out, spacing it how I want, not measuring, just making it look even. Pretty even. Okay, and then I'm just gonna staple it in place. So I hold it down with my one hand and I give 1 staple. Okay, there's one end. Pretty fast, right? Okay, we're gonna do the exact same thing. Gotta make the other end. Have you guys made any of these before? Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried this. We did these two end pieces. Now we need to add in, the dowels are gonna be stabilizers down here on these bottom edges. And let's do both. So you put your dowel down and then you gotta flip it over. And you're gonna be, whoops. Okay, you're gonna be stapling, actually kind of can't see exactly where you're stapling. So make sure, again, you are flush. Okay, we're doing the sides now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, see how there's like a little divot cut out here for your hand to hold while you're stirring? Well, in the original directions, they got all fancy and they would go, okay, put the little cutouts on this end and then alternate, and then on the next one you flip it, you know, you do the divots on this side. I don't know, you can do what you want. I ended up just having them all equal. Let's get one on. And not shoot my hand in the process. Get your top and your bottom pieces on and then add your middle pieces. Okay, so again, I'm gonna keep all of my divots on my right. I'm not sure what that is for you guys. Okay, other side, same thing. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Divots now are on my left. All right. I mean, depending on what you're doing, you could end it here. Let's slap the bottom on here. There's a little divot in there between your dowel and then your stabilizing piece. And you wanna make it a point to make sure that is covered up. Okay, I actually think, you guys, my husband might have cut these the wrong length. Okay, we're gonna go with it. Just don't tell anyone that the bottom of this thing doesn't look as good as it's supposed to. They're a little bit shorter than my first one. It's okay. I'm really glad that I've got glue on this bottom because these are a little bit short. We are done. Woohoo! Now comes the fun part, we can style it. I'm gonna let you guys choose a plant. So I've got this variegated plant and I've got this sage. These are faux plants from Ikea. These are awesome, they're like $5 a piece. I have a lot of them. So I like the sage, but I like the variegated. These are great for storage. Like you could make a whole row of them. That would look awesome. If you need, for decorative purposes, if you need a little height, I suggest grabbing some burlap just because it blends in, because you can see into the crate. But if you want something that's real subtle and you don't want any more details going on in here, put a piece of burlap in there and then your plant. Ta-da! Awesome, you guys. Thanks for hanging in there.